Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your Alibaba account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button that you see at the top right corner and proceed forward with your social accounts or by using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, you will see various different items that you can buy from Alibaba. Now in order to change your email address, hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account. This will then take you into your account page, within which, underneath account security, you will see the change email address option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to verify your identity by entering the code that has been sent to your email. So log into your current email address and you will find this verification code. Enter this verification code within the given box and click on the submit button. And now you will be asked to enter your desired new email address. Type in your desired email address and click on the request free verification code button. You will then be asked to check your inbox of your newly entered email address. So log into the email address that you just entered and you will find another verification code. Just enter this verification code within the given box and click on the submit button. And now your email address will successfully be changed. You can click on return to my Alibaba and now you will notice that your email address has been changed to the one that you just entered. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.